Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to sign up for a Taco Bell online account. Open the website tacobell.com, then click Login. On the pop-up window, you will see an option for Create an Account. Click on Create an Account. Now, you have two options either to sign up with Facebook or email address. Click on the Sign Up with Facebook button, if you wish to sign up using that. If not, on the fields provided, enter your first name and last name, email address, birthday, and the password you wish to use. After entering, click on Sign Up. And now your account has been created. That's how you sign up for a Taco Bell online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.